Hi everyone, it's Up4, and I'm going to show you how to make a pet Snapple cap. You'll need a Snapple cap. Here's like the thingy that's in it. My camera can't really concentrate, so Harry 5 something, whatever that word says. Middle name is S. Oh, Harry S. Yeah, I don't get that, but whatever. So you will need to make it tape, tape and paper and scissors and some sort of glitter glue. Oh, and eyeballs right here. Some eyeballs. So yeah, and this for my other project I did. They're still drying. Okay, so yeah. First, you're going to need to get the tape and the scissors and I'll cover it. Here, hold on. Oh, I know. I use this. Yeah, we're Barbie doll thingies. So that sometimes I use felt paper, like once in a while. So I'm going to stand you guys up on here. Maybe a bit too high, but whatever. Oh, just enough to. Okay, so here, hold on. How do I do it up here? Okay, so first you'll need to cover it. Oops. So here, hold on, cut it. I think we need this piece. Okay, hold on. Oops, I'll get that in here. So after you do that, then fold that down. Wait, hold on. Alright, this isn't working out too good. We need a bigger piece. And if it doesn't really work out so good, then you need a bigger piece. So let's just use this to cover it. Oh, this is good. Okay. Alright, so I guess do that. Okay, now. Yeah, so. And then, actually, let me just get another piece. Oops. Okay. Okay. So you tape that. Okay, now you tape the other side. I'll get out another piece of tape. Okay. So the bottom may not look too good when you do it, but yeah. This part is definitely good. You cut this, Yeah, cut that little sink. Oh, okay. And I'm gonna cut this. And there. So then, yeah, I'll get that in a minute. Okay, hold on. Okay. So when you're done doing that, then you get the color. Hang on, let me get off the eyes. Get off the yellow first. Okay. So I guess I'll take out medium-sized eyes. Let me find two medium-sized eyes. Nah, two peach eyes. Like, I don't like that. Alright, oops. Blue eyes seem normal. And, that seems normal. Let me find another. Oh, there's the yellow one. Let me dump it a little bit. Okay, white and blue circle in the middle. White thingy and blue circle in the middle. Look how tiny this eye is. I barely even see it. Okay. Yeah, I'm looking here, and maybe see which I can find faster. Oh, well, I'll find that one faster. That's big, I think. Wait. Oh no, that's big. Oh wait, this is like half medium. Alright, so I'll delete. Yeah, I just do half medium. Well, medium actually. Yeah. So then here's all that stuff right down. We got the glitter glue. Let me open this and then squirt like a little piece here. Oopsies. Oh, that didn't go, but some people. Yeah, just over there and a little bit over there. Again, wipe my hand. Okay. So when you're done doing that, hold on. Okay, you won't even recognize this. Like that's a snap cap thing. So then you do that. Stick the eyes on, and then you can just like draw them out. You could also use something, but I have no idea what to use, so I'll do that. Hey guys, hold on. Okay. Oh, make a little nose. And then you could always dress her or something. Here, I'll put some designs maybe on her. I'll put maybe a little this thing. No, too big. I'll put this little maybe leaf or something. Wait, where's the leaf go? I just had that. Oh yeah, there. Little leaf on it. A little leaf like right there. Does that look cute? Yeah, I know. See, it's so cute. Here, hold on. Let me take that. Tiniest piece of tape. Oops. I dropped it. Oops. Hold on, people. No, it's very quiet. Take that and you put the piece of tape. You gotta fold the tape down. Put it on the back. And then you just stick it somewhere. And make sure you use tape. Oops, where'd the tape go? I just had it. Oh, it's still on my finger. Oh, you see that? It was still on my finger. I don't know. So use tape because you don't know if you want to take it off. Then, yeah. So. Okay. So, yes. And you could also do more things, like maybe put a little something here. Yeah, I don't really like the leaf. Yeah, I really don't here. I'll just maybe put a little something right here, maybe. Oops, hold on, got it straight. Okay. Yeah, I think I'll put that here. A little bit or something. First, let me see if it looks good. Oh, that's actually cute. Oh, it looks like a real little baby. Although it's not. And everyone knows that's not a real baby. Oh wait, no. Did I say I was gonna glue it? Yeah. Oops. There. Okay. It's adorable. Yeah. So yes. Thank you for watching how to make your Snapple Cat pet. And yes, you could put a little ear thingy here or something like that. Here, so yeah, I'll put this later. Just glue like two. Fine, I'll do it here. I'll glue two little ears like right there. So she could hear. So here he could hear. Put a little ear there. And maybe a little ear here. Oh, now that, you can move that down. Right, now that's adorable, right? Yes, so that's it. Goodbye. You could also put more, but you know. Alright, bye.